Alison offers free online courses, both certificate courses and diploma courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find diploma courses on Alison. First, you want to sign up on Alison. You can use my link in the description to sign up. To find diploma courses on your homepage, search for your course of interest in the search section. For example, if you're trying to take IT courses, you can search for IT in the search section, and this will load all the IT related courses on Alison. In this section, you'll be able to refine your search. So simply scroll down to the section where you see course type, and here you see diploma and certificate courses. In this section, you want to click on diploma, and this will load all courses that are diploma courses so you can select from. You can get data about the course duration. This diploma in information technology management takes about 6 to 10 hours to complete. You can get more information about the diploma course by clicking on get more info, and this will take you to the course page. On the course page, you get detailed information such as course module, course description, and Alison certificates. And at the bottom, you get the comment section where you see what people say about the courses they have taken on Alison. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to find diploma courses on Alison, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you in my next video.